Tale of three rigs. The Paternoster, reverse or inverted Paternoster, and just a good old-fashioned jig. Paternoster, weight is at the bottom. Going to be back bouncing. You don't need the swivel, but I put it on there for quick change. 4 ounces. Hard, durable finish there. Back bouncing along the bottom of the river. The hook is at a set height above the weight. The hook is always going to be this high above the weight, so you'll always know your depth. You always have, that's about an arm's length, about a cubit. It's about a cubit, about a cubit. 3 aught hook, and I've got that in there kind of backward there. I need to invert that. Reverse or inverse Paternoster. Hook's down here. Weight's up here. Same thing, I just hadn't painted it. Don't need the swivel. I put it on there for quick change and to help reduce line twist. If you want to use the Paternoster, always check your regs. This may be legal, illegal. You got to check your regs. But if your laws are such that you have to have a leader, well, if you just flip and flop them, then this becomes sort of like a Carolina rig without a swivel. Right? You don't need the swivel here. Hook goes up to the weight that comes off a dropper. What is a jig? A jig is a rig. What you did was combine this and this, and now you have this. You see the difference? You combine the weight with the hook here. Now I could add a swivel for quick change, but I don't really worry about that. That's what we're going to use on the Tennessee River today.